Ooh, that was satisfying. I actually fixed it. 11 scary videos that feel too creepy. And I'm skipping the intro. Like I've said before, I've watched 100 of his videos, and I am subbed.
The first video we'll be having a look at today comes to us from a TikTok account aptly named The Haunted Phone.
I already hate this.
The video starts off with the uploader wandering around his house.
What? You're holding the What'd you do to it? I mean, that doesn't even look like it's the actual plug. Now this just feels like a prop, like through and through. Well, duh. But it's a manual ringing the bell. So of course it could still make the noise. This isn't like a doll without batteries. I don't want to finish it.
You can see he's taken the phone apart to try and figure out why it's ringing.
See, like I said, it's a manual. It's just a cover.
Somehow,
we don't need to turn the volume up. What?
now the phone is...
I had to have missed something.
You can also clearly see the small metal piece moving from side to side.
I don't know how he's moving it, but it doesn't shock me that it's not like, oh, it's paranormal now because it's moving.
Strong black phone vibes.
And I've never seen that movie, and I don't care. What a terrible first video.
Beard dude.
Okay, you know, reason to fake it. Venmo there. Maybe he's shameless. I already hate the captions. I'm not believing this.
Telling it he's seen it moving around. He then asks it to let him know if it's in the room with him by closing the door in front of him.
Let me know you're here. Close that door. Yes, this is your cemetery. I know. I'm just trying to keep it nice for you, out of respect. I'm not trying to...
I mean, he's the only guy over here, though. He's the only guy.
Playing noise is coming from behind a cement mixer. When he goes to check, there's nothing there.
So I'm hearing shuffling now. Sounded like it was behind the cement mixer, so I'm not sure what that was. Gotta reach behind there. All right then. F that.
That's actually wild if it was standing.
The third and final
straight
video
up.
shows the uploader working on a rainy day.
What about the cone? I'm stuck on. What about the cone?
Holy f.
I'm thinking he just figured out he can just throw something like kind of behind him like this, and it just makes for a good video. I'm starting to think that's what this is.
Yeah, that's just great. Hell no.
Yeah, he's like, let me amp. No, that was not a real reaction. He's like, let me amp it up by having it be a saw so I can say it tried to kill me. Like, that's
Seeing
so
objects
stupid.
move, especially since the objects appear to be thrown with force.
They're not thrown with force. They're both just set down. Like the cone was just like plopped down, and that's just so easy to fake. I mean, this is actually normal for a Sir Spooks video though. It's been a while, so I'm not used to it being like garbage on garbage on garbage.
This next video was uploaded to Capriya Car's YouTube channel. He says they've been noticing the rocking chair in the room moving all by itself, but nobody's been believing them.
Yeah, they're just kids. I wouldn't believe them either. I need some video, buddy.
They also mentioned they're home alone at the time, meaning there's nobody else in the house besides the four of them.
Oh, thank you. I had no idea what Home Alone at the time meant. So thank you for explaining it to me, Sir Spooks. What are we doing? Just show me the
A few
video.
moments.
Is it moving a little bit?
Oh my gosh. It is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Oh. Oh.
He's just messing with the kids.
Man, that's so creepy. Why do we have to stand here? Huh?
Wait, hold on, wait. Somebody go see if somebody's behind there.
I will. Why do we have to do this? Oh, no one's behind there. Oh,
Let me
gosh.
see. Let me get it on
gosh.
camera.
Oh gosh.
Look, it is moving. And nobody's back
I'm
there.
so scared.
And plus, you can see in the mirror. Nobody's standing behind there while it's moving. Oh, it's slowing down now.
Because you stopped yanking on it. Dude, I don't know. I think this is just stupid too. I think he's just doing it for the kids to make it like a fun thing. To like still believe in ghosts, you know? This is the evidence you get, and then you know you really stop believing in it.
Watching a rocking chair begin to move in an empty room is enough to make just about anyone uncomfortable.
No, I don't think it's uncomfortable. I think it's just a fun thing they were doing. I mean, the guy's tone. He sounded like he was doing it. He's like, oh, go check, go look. Oh.
Back in June of 2019, A YouTube channel known as SadKeel242 uploaded a video showing a maintenance worker working the night shift at a hotel near San Antonio's Riverwalk. Right from the start, you can see just how unsettling the place looks. The hotel's clearly seen better days.
I've never seen this before.
We watch as the videographer slowly wanders around one of the rooms, carefully scanning the area.
It's conveniently blocked. Bro, it looks like someone just pulled the big rack and it was like hooked onto the other one with the wheels. And he won't go around? Like, you won't show me? Like, wouldn't you be like, oh my god, let me see?
Seeing objects shift without warning in a rundown hotel leads some to believe this could be a poltergeist-like presence.
Yeah, that's why you'd want to go around and investigate, like a normal human would. I just don't believe that. I don't know why he picks the videos he does, because they're not convincing, they're not scary. You know, they don't feel too creepy, as he implies.
Over on the Cryptid IQ subreddit, a user by the name of Canid Primate 1577 shared a video. The video shows something very strange taking place in an undisclosed location.
Alright, it's called The Dog Man. This is immediately going to be stupid.
As you can see, the video shows a bizarre-looking creature slowly making its way.
Oh, that's just insulting to dogs to call this a dog man. I mean, it's insulting to men too, I guess, but more so dogs, because this looks nothing like. Look at the arms. Like, that's not a dog. That's not dog arms.
Out of what looks like a cave entrance. The figure appears fairly tall, with a lanky build.
It looks like a costume. It looks like a dude in a costume.
And light-colored, possibly white fur. A lot of viewers believe this could be a sighting of the elusive cryptid known as the Dog Man.
Okay, alright. Alright. I'm just... The Dog Man? Come on, bro.
Reddit user NoVariety5078 shared a video. Be sure to pay close attention to the left-hand side of the screen.
Oof, the fact you gotta tell me where to look is not good.
As you can see, a very tall, shadowy figure appears to walk down a flight of stairs.
It looks like a Ring camera glitch though, but I don't know if this is like a... I don't think this is a motion activated
Before
camera.
Seemingly vanishing into thin air. If this footage is genuine, it's hard not to notice just how tall the figure looks. Far tall.
Oh, it kind of looks like he just walks off, and it's just that bad of a quality of camera.
With very little context provided beyond where it was filmed, it's difficult to say what's really happening.
Okay, so that's what he's doing. He just scrolls Reddit and then picks whatever shows up. Don't love that. Wish you'd watch him a little bit and be like, is this actually scary?
From the UFO subreddit and was shared by a user named CDS456.
Ugh, I hate UFO videos.
It suddenly accelerates out of frame almost instantly, leaving George completely awestruck by what he just witnessed.
I mean, that is pretty cool, but at this point we know aliens are real, you know? Like, what are we gonna do about it though? Kinda nothing, because we can't do anything, you know? So just leave it alone. I don't know, just these videos are not interesting to me anymore.
In the early morning hours of October 8th, 2016, concerned the culprit might...
This is gonna be stupid. I just want to see what the video is. I already know this is gonna be dumb.
Didn't look like a black bear at all.
Was that it? It's just a dude in a costume. It's just a guy in a costume. Several people have made videos exactly like this, trying to dress up like a monster and show up on people's rings and stuff like that. Like, this is just stupid. This is totally fake. Dude, these are bad.
By a user known as Joseph Stalin Loves You. He explains he's about to put up...
Oh, his name is Joseph Stalin. What are the odds of that?
...in the tree's neighbor, and after what he saw, it can't go up fast enough. As he slowly...
Oh, we saw this in another video. I think it was Real Horror Talk.
You see her? Look at that face. Oh my god. It's right there staring at me. Dude, how As scary as that shit. Oh my god, dude.
Yeah, I think it's a bird. I think I said that last time too. It looks like a big bird that just has like a design. And he didn't go into like try to make it scared away in case it was like an animal.
Soudah also posted a still image showing what he claims is the hand belonging to whoever was watching him.
Nah. And then this just seems like a different part entirely. Where's that at? You know, I don't see a solid branch like that with her hand on it. And that has to be far away from here. And then it just wouldn't make any sense. Stupid.
A TikTok account known as Black Hills Paranormal shared a piece of home security camera footage captured in the middle of the night.
Ugh, why can't it just be like a normal person who's not having like a specific paranormal account? I never like.
The seconds tick by quietly as everyone in the house sleeps. By all accounts,
why are we getting like a recording for home security of your pantry and fridge? Like you're just making sure no one steals your snack? Yeah, just a Ring camera glitch. This is dumb. This whole video is just not good. Especially because you know it's a Ring or a motion activated camera and it does that. So Ring camera glitch, easy.
From Reddit,
oh, it's been 10 videos and they're all terrible. Like how do you do that?
User Lower Boysenberry 50, who shared a photo to the Paranormal Encounters subreddit. The uploader explains his brother was in college and
it's just a photo.
And by the time he looked up again, whatever it was had completely vanished. If you zoom in here,
yeah, this is ridiculous. I just feel like it's very low end. And that looks like a mask and you made a cute little scary photo. Oh boy, that one was terrible. I'm not liking that.